There are so many parts on this set. You see that I need to clean these motors and gearboxes. This one has some corrosion, but for this pair of custom engines I gotta do a really nice job. So I will clean up everything. I need to put some grease and do this restoration for these parts. There you go, faces. They need a little paint on the eyebrows. So many tiny pieces right there. Thank you guys for watching all my videos. I really appreciate all you have done for me, and I'm doing my best. Okay, let's go to the main event. Unbelievable. Just joking around. What do you guys think? I couldn't resist to upload an update. Since everybody's making updates, why would I not do an update? So here's the project I've been working while I'm doing a lot of other stuff. So yeah, you know who these guys are. I must say this project took and is taking a lot of time. See that detail right there? Ooh, nice. Nice, excellent. Well, that's what I say, or I think. Maybe you guys don't like it. Well, the haters might not like it because I'm doing great stuff. Yeah. Anyways, see that, guys? What do you think? Let me show you this. Ooh la la! Look at that! Amazing. Let's close up. Ooh, focus. Right there. Wow. I'm not gonna say like others. I'm very proud of my project, of my work, blah blah blah. No, but anyways, I couldn't resist to make a video to upload and make this update. See that? Excellent. Wow. Let's put it side to side. What do you guys think about this project? Yep. Here, look. Still working on it. I have the wheels. Well, I'm ready to assemble these boys today. And I hope I can upload the video today, maybe. See, the things, I'm very extremely busy doing some other stuff, and this project I've been doing it for 10 minutes at a time. I don't make, let's put it together, I don't make this in one single shot, Let's see how they look. Look at that. They're looking good. One more. Let's put the other one. Right there, right there. These boys are looking pretty good. This is the first time I'm putting these parts together. Not completely done yet. There you go, right there. See that? Nice, huh? Look at the wheels. Shiny, shiny wheels. Cool. Excellent. I bet you guys want to hold it like this. Just joking. Just kidding. But you cannot hold it, but you can see it right here. These are real boys. By the way, boys and girls, watch my videos. I really appreciate that you like my videos. That makes me feel really good. I feel so happy to make more videos, and I really enjoyed your comments. Yep, I love to read all your comments, every single of those comments. Look at that. Excellent. Well, this is just an update. I couldn't resist, I said again, I couldn't resist to make a short video to show you. See the details, I mean the paint. Not perfect paint, but it's good. I don't know if somebody else have done one of these. I had no chance to look on the YouTube, or maybe somebody did one of these already. Let me know in the comments below if you want to share. Okay, I got a lot of stuff to do. I tried to get it done today. Thank you for watching. Over and out.